Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and to the step-by-step guide on how to open an LLC using two different methods. So the first method that we're going to be using is basically you doing it on your own through 6 different steps. And don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, explaining everything you need to know about the process to help you get started and open your LLC. As for the second method, it involves leaving all the heavy lifting to a professional company such as Tailor Brands. Now, for those of you who haven't heard of them, they're basically an all-in-one online platform that has helped more than 500,000 businesses form their own LLCs. Another great thing about them is that their team of experts will walk you through the process step by step, and the whole thing will only take a few minutes of your time. So if you want to know more about LLCs and how to open them, then this video is going to be for you. And before we move on, if you end up liking this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. And just to be upfront, I make these videos on brands that I'm interested in trying for whatever reason, and then I share what I know about them in the hopes that this will help you choose what's right for you or not. Now, if you decide that you want to try out Tailor Brands, I get a little bit of a kickback if you use the affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't find if you go directly to their website, so it is a win-win. Okay, so what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC for short, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, separating your personal assets from your company's liabilities. In other words, if your LLC has any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets probably cannot be used to pay those bills in a court of law. Also, LLCs offer flexibility in management, taxation options, and the ability to bring in multiple owners known as members who can share in the company's profits and losses. The versatility and the liability protection it provides makes the LLC, or limited liability company, an attractive choice for many entrepreneurs starting a new or existing venture. Now, you can apply for an LLC through 2 different methods, as I mentioned before, the first of which is going to be through the filing process yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and start to guide you through the whole thing to hopefully provide you with all the information that you need, at least to get started. So the first step is going to be to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure that the name you choose is unique and not already in use by another business. Now, each state has its own guidelines for naming an LLC, so it is important to check the business name database maintained by your Secretary of State in whatever state that you live in. Also, avoid using names that can be easily confused with existing ones and certain words that may require additional paperwork like bank or incorporated, stuff like that. The second step is to pick the state where you want to register your LLC. Most of the time, it's going to be best to choose your home state or the state where you're running your business. This is basically because local lawyers tend to know the laws about setting up and running an LLC in their home state, and having government offices close by can be super helpful. Also, if you want to take your business to another state, you'll need to register there as a foreign LLC as well. Now, the third step to opening an LLC is getting a registered agent. A registered agent is basically a person or a business that's responsible for handling all the legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They serve as the point of contact for your business and receive all the important papers like regulatory notices and legal filings. Also, depending on state laws, your registered agent can be someone within your company or even a professional service, and they should have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. For step number 4, you have to file what's called Articles of Organization with your Secretary of State. This document, which may be called a Certificate of Formation or a Certificate of Organization in some states, should include your LLC's names, designated registered agent, and management structure. There's typically a one-time filing fee that varies by state, ranging from around $40 to around $500. Once you file it, it usually takes 3 to 7 days for processing business days, and upon approval, you'll receive a state certificate of organization. Okay, for step 5, an operating agreement is very important for an LLC, even though most states do not technically require it. This document outlines the organizational structure, daily duties, and just general rules of your LLC. It clarifies the roles and responsibilities of the members, ownership percentages, profit distribution methods, and decision-making processes. So as you probably see, an operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and should be updated whenever there are changes in membership or in management. Now, coming from someone who owns several businesses, this is a must in order to avoid misunderstandings and problems you might face down the line. And the sixth and final step is to get an employer identification number, or EIN. This is like giving your business a social security number. It's basically a 9-digit number that the IRS has assigned for tax filing purposes. So you're going to need an EIN if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, or even pay business income tax. The process for obtaining an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS if you want to deal with the IRS. But if it all sounds like too much of a headache, you can always go with option 2, which is hiring a service to take care of the LLC for you. Now, if finding all the necessary paperwork and forms to establish an LLC sounds like too much of a headache, or it's going to take too much of your time, you can always go with option 2, like I said. I can personally say that my time is worth so much more than dealing with all that day-to-day LLC organization bureaucracy garbage, which is why I chose Tailor Brands, so they can do this for me. So if you're short on time, lack the expertise to handle the paperwork, or simply value your time and don't want to deal with all the paperwork that's involved, then there's a simpler alternative, which is basically hiring a company formation service like Tailor Brands to take care of everything for you. Okay. So Tailor Brands is definitely one of the best business formation services out there, especially for beginners, because they take care of everything on your behalf. Okay, don't get me wrong, there are other great services that I also tried, such as Zen Business, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings, and I'm gonna leave links to review videos down in the description if you wanna learn more about them, and I'll talk more about them later on in this video. Now, before we get more into the second process, let me tell you a little bit more about Tailor Brands. Firstly, they were founded in 2014 to give new businesses everything that they need to launch successfully. The founders of Tailor Brands realized that the new businesses that they were launching weren't really taken seriously until they had business cards with their logo and other assets, even digital business cards. So they went about creating a one-stop shop to give startups everything that they needed all in one place. They made an AI-powered website that's centered around a logo maker that also gives you a website digital business card and merchandise, along with registration and management services, so that you can basically get everything from them for a yearly subscription or by choosing individual services as needed. Now, I'm going to show you the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. You can complete the application in pretty much 3 straightforward steps, which will take you around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. The first step is to specify your state. On the Tailor Brands official website, you'll find a choose your state field. Just click the drop-down menu and select your state. After that, click on get started. For the next step, you'll need to respond to some simple questions. So basically, you'll come across a series of questions that helps the platform understand your business. These questions cover aspects such as your business name, the products or services you offer, whether you'll have employees, and the current stage of your business. Additionally, you'll be asked to provide your personal information, including your name and email address, stuff like that. And just to be clear, this information is solely used for forming your LLC and is not allowed to be shared with anyone else according to their website. The last thing you need to do is send in your LLC application and move on to the payment options. Once you've provided all the necessary information, Tailor Brands is going to take care of submitting your LLC application and dealing with all the bureaucracy and the government agencies all on your behalf. So as you can see, the entire process is pretty quick and efficient. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes of your time, as long as you have all the information. Basically, Tailor Brands handles all the hard work for you, so you can have the peace of mind while opening your LLC and focus solely on your business. All right, so these are the 2 ways that you can apply for an LLC. The first is to basically do everything yourself, and the second is to get help from Tailor Brands or another company and have them do everything for you. So to sum it up, Tailor Brands is an excellent solution for forming an LLC for your business. It offers a fast and user-friendly experience. Also, the availability of a complimentary service like a logo design, a website builder, domain registration, and business cards further enhance the value that they give. The prices for their service are pretty reasonable, making it a worthwhile investment in terms of the time and hassle you save. In terms of my recommendation, I recommend them for anyone starting a new business who wants everything from incorporation to brand identity and online presence in one easy and quick place. So for convenience and a quick and seamless startup process where all you need to start with the business is a name, Tailor Brands has pretty much got you covered. And that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try Tailor Brands out, check out the link in the description to get that discount that I mentioned before that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll try to do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. Finally, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.